This little baby bird can't fly. I might save it by putting it back where its home is over there. That's where the bird's going. So I'm gonna have to pick it up with my mini lacrosse stick. I'm gonna be really fast with it. The bird kind of looks weird. I'm kind of get on. And we have him. And he's taking. Oh! 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 He took a poop. Oh, that was good thing he wasn't in the lacrosse stick. And we're taking him for being a good bird. Whoa! I feel like the bird's gonna come down at me. He's saying subscribe. And he's right. Subscribe for more videos like this. See ya. Can you maybe Can you yeah, you've almost through. Okay, shut up. Okay, I'm sorry, I was trying to help.